Welcome. In this video, we will see about command line arguments. In previous video, we have seen how to use variables, how to define our own variables. Those are our own custom variables we define, and then we use that in our script. There are other form of variables also. One of them is command line arguments. Let's take some example of Linux commands and understand what are arguments first. We execute the command ls and it just displays what are the available files in the current working directory. But with ls, we sometimes pass options like -l. And with option, we can also specify, or with the command, we also specify arguments. For example, /tmp. Now in this command, /tmp is an argument that we are passing to this command. Like that, we can also pass arguments to a script, which will be required sometimes. For example, you want to tar or archive a file and then move it to a different location. So you can pass the source and destination to the script. Name of the software that you want to install, or name of the users that you want to create. So we can pass multiple arguments to our script, and then we can use those arguments in our script in the form of variables. So let's write a script first, a very basic script that is going to take the argument and print it back. That's all. We'll name it as args1.sh, and I'm going to now not use vi editor but vim editor, and I will install vim editor. Yum install vim. Vim is just better form of vi editor. It's gonna show us color schemes also. Okay, vim installation completed. Let's clear the screen. Vim args1.sh, one there. A shebang character, bin bash, and I'm going to write some print messages here. Echo printing script name, echo $0, which we can't see is the first argument, but this is an argument $0, which is gonna print the name of your script. Printing first argument, echo $1. $1 will be your first argument that you pass to the script. Like that, we can pass a lot of arguments. Printing second argument. Argument. And let's see, echo $2. And let's have an empty space in between all of that. Okay. Let's execute this script for once. Okay, there you go. Printing the script name. As I told you, $0 is gonna print the name of your script. Now, $1 is gonna print the first argument, $2 second argument, $3, $4, so on and so forth. But here we see not printing anything because we have not passed any argument to the script. Let's pass something. Let's say DevOps is the first argument. You see there, printed $1. $2, let's pass something else like AWS. Okay, so that's how you can pass an argument and you can use it. You can have arguments from $0 up to $9. Now let's do something meaningful with the command line arguments. We will write a script that will take backup, or should I say simply archive a directory and move it to a location. So the file or the directory that we want to copy, will pass that as a command line argument, and also the destination where it will be copied, that will be also as a command line argument. So let's write the script. Let's name it as backup1.sh. echo taking backup of $1, which will be the first argument that we will pass. Then let's print one more message, archiving $1. So that's going to be $1 will be the path of the directory that we want to archive. Then let's write the command tar-czvf backup1.tar.gz. The file that we want to backup is going to be the $1. So once it is archived, I want to move it to a different location with the mv command. We'll say mv backup1.tar.gz, move it to $2. Okay, now instead of giving that name backup1.tar.gz, let's use that as a variable. Let's define that variable. Let's see, backup file. So we'll give it name as scripts underscore back.tar.gz, and here we'll write $backup file, and once the backup is done, then move the backup file to the destination, which will be the command line argument. Let's print a message then, archive moved to $2. Let's see, backup completed successfully. Okay, that looks interesting, but one thing you have to be keeping in your mind is we have to pass the command line argument. If we don't pass the command line argument to this script, the script will fail, and we don't have a condition that will check those things. Conditions we'll learn in further lectures. As of now, we have to mandatorily pass argument to this script. Let's make it executable. Okay, let's execute our script. Source, the one that I want to back up, root/scripts. This is the first argument. Okay, so this directory will be backed up and will be copied. Let's specify some location. Let's say temp, you know what, auth. Right, let's execute. Okay, you see displaying the message taking backup of /root/scripts. Okay, archiving tar removing leading / it has taken the backup, archive moved to /opt. That's $2. Let's verify. Yes, we have the backup copied there.